Hey you guys, it's Vijaya back at you with another video, and in this one we are getting ready for the holidays with my recipe for tandoori turkey using Butterball turkey. Now I love Butterball, it's super juicy, really fresh, and it comes in 3 different varieties at the grocery store. So if you want to get it fresh, you can do that around the holiday season and pop it right into your oven. Otherwise, if you want to prepare ahead of time, you can get a frozen one and thaw it for the day that you want to use it. And lastly, if you're looking for a stuffed turkey and you love stuffing the way that I do, then be sure to pick one of those up. This recipe is super easy, it comes together really quickly, and the flavor is absolutely sensational. So let's get started. So we're gonna start by making the tandoori marinade. If you've ever had tandoori, you know how absolutely delicious it is. And I'm gonna show you how to make that marinade from scratch. And as you can see, I have a whole host of different spices that we're gonna add in, some yogurt, some lemon, so let's get started. So I have some plain whole yogurt here. To that, I'm gonna add the juice of 2 lemons. I'm gonna grate in a few cloves of fresh garlic, some fresh grated ginger, and as you can tell, I'm leaving the skins on the ginger because they're nice and fine, and once you grate them up, you don't really feel them at all. And in goes a little bit of my homemade garam masala. This stuff is super flavorful, and you can find the recipe on my channel. I'm gonna go in with a little bit of cayenne chili for heat. You can use as much or as little as you like. We've already gone in with fresh ginger, and now I'm gonna add some dried powdered ginger, and that's gonna add a great flavor as well. Now a touch of nutmeg. Nutmeg pairs so well with roasted meats. And now we're gonna sprinkle in some dried fenugreek leaves, also known as kasuri methi, and these are similar to oregano in flavor, so good. Now this is optional, but I'm gonna sprinkle in a little bit of red food coloring, and that's gonna give us that iconic tandoori color. And we're gonna season the marinade generously with salt. And we're gonna stir everything to combine. And look at that already, you can see the color. It's so pretty. And this red color is so iconic when it comes to tandoori chicken. And we're ready to marinate our turkey. All right, so the marinade is done. Now it's time to roll up my sleeves and get some gloves on, because this is about to get just a touch messy. There we go. One end. Gloves, they're on now. Now the key here is you want to marinate the turkey so that it's flavorful from top to bottom on the inside all the way around. And the way I like to accomplish that is by separating the skin from the turkey from the flesh. So I'm just gonna go in with my fingers and start to separate like this. So I'm just gonna lift this up and get underneath right by the turkey breast, and this creates a little bit of a pocket. I'm gonna do that on the other side as well. And that way the marinade gets to touch the flesh of the turkey and marinate the meat all the way through. And now I'm gonna get in there with my marinade, scoop it up with your fingers, pretend like you're in play school again, and look at that color. We're gonna spread the marinade over the skin, also underneath, and make sure that turkey is completely covered. And you're just gonna smear your turkey all over, get it nice and under the skin, near the flesh. Oh my goodness. This is gonna be one tasty bird. Doesn't our turkey look beautiful? And it isn't even roasted yet. So now that I have the marinade on, you wanna marinate it overnight or at least for a couple of hours if you can, just to help all of those flavors penetrate into the bird. And then we're gonna pop it into the oven. So I have my oven preheated to 325 degrees, and you wanna cook it 20 minutes for every pound of turkey that you have. And if you're confused at all, be sure to go to Butterball.ca or call 1-800-BUTTERBALL, and someone on the phone will tell you how long to cook your turkey for. Isn't that amazing? That's crazy. All right, into the oven it goes. All right, you guys, and this is what it looks like when it's done. Incredible. Look at that skin. It's glistening, it's perfectly browned, and the smell coming off this turkey is absolutely incredible. I can't wait to tuck in. I'm gonna cut myself a little slice. Oh, let's go, let's do this. Oh my goodness, the magic of marinating a turkey overnight. The yogurt and the lemon has tenderized it. It's nice and juicy, and all of those spices have permeated the entire turkey right down to the core. It's super duper juicy, really, really flavorful, and such a nice take on the traditional Christmas turkey. I hope you guys give this one a try. If you do, please feel free to let me know. And if you like this video, feel free to give it a big old thumbs up. You know how that makes me feel. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe. And as always, if you're looking to leave a comment, a question, a recommendation, or you just want to get something off your mind, leave it in the comments box down below. Also, if you want to learn more about turkey and how to prepare it, be sure to head to Butterball.ca or call 1-800-BUTTERBALL. Until my next video, I will see you all later. Bye!